Honorable WRD Minister for his very timely action in desilting all the nallas in Talegaon. As you know, Goa experienced a lot of rainfall, but fortunately in my constituency there was not much of a problem because of the desilting that was had taken place by the department. And I would like to also thank the department, especially Chief Engineer Mr. Badami and the Executive Engineer Mr. Vaz, who are very prompt in their duty and never failed to be present at the site whenever they are called for an inspection. And I think this is only possible if the person at the helm of the affairs is proactive and dedicated. So I would like to thank you once again, sir. Speaker, sir, I would like to draw the attention of the Honourable Minister to a few pending works which I have in my constituency. I'll just be very specific about it. One is the restoration of the anti-sea erosion wall, which is in Odshell. That work has been pending since 2021. Due to some reason, it was cancelled. So I would request you to re-tender that, please, because this retaining wall is like a breach for the houses which are there. So with the surge of the sea and very strong winds, it could affect the houses present there. Then I have two retaining walls. One is in Oitian, so I will forward it to you. Two actually in Oitian. For one, the estimate has already been prepared and awaiting administrative approval. The other one, sir, nothing has been done so far. So if you could instruct your engineers to come to Talegaon, I can show them exactly where it is. And sir, this is very crucial because during the rains, with the heavy rains, there's a tendency for landslides. So this would protect the houses which are on the hill. In addition, also estimates for improvement of cleaning of nallas at different locations in Talegaon have also been submitted and awaiting administrative approval. Speaker, sir, there is one very important work that has to be done. That is the Ganesh Visarjan in Sailabad. I know we might be a little late in bringing to your notice, but if it can be done before, it's very minor repairs. So if it can be done before the Ganesh Chaturthi, I would be very grateful. The next work that I have is the Donapal Jetty. See, the existing ramp at the Donapal Jetty is in a very bad condition, and that is used by the operators and also by tourists. So if that can be done, I would be also very grateful for that. Approval for Nalla wall at Sailabad. Sir, I have already got the administrative approval for that, and I would like to thank you for the same.